Alright, picture this. It's a scorching summer day, and you've just poured yourself a glass of ice-cold water. You step away for a bit, and when you come back, there's less water in your glass. No, your cat didn't drink it. That's evaporation at work. And today I'm diving into how this invisible magic trick actually happens. So, what is evaporation? In simple terms, it's when a liquid, like water, turns into a gas, like water vapor, and drifts off into the air. It sounds super basic, but the story behind it is actually pretty wild. Let's break it down. Water is made up of tons of tiny molecules, all zooming around and bumping into each other like a microscopic pinball game. Most of these molecules are pretty chill, just hanging out together, but some of them? They've got a little extra energy. When these high-energy molecules are near the surface, they can escape into the air. Boom! Evaporation. Now here's where it gets cool. Heat speeds up this process. That's why puddles disappear faster on hot days and why your sweaty shirt dries in the sun. When you add heat, you're basically cranking up the speed of those water molecules. More energy means more of them can break free and take off into the air. But wait, humidity throws a wrench in the works. On humid days, the air is already packed with water vapor. There's nowhere for extra molecules to go, so evaporation slows way down. That's why sweat just lingers on your skin, and you feel extra sticky. Ever wondered why evaporation cools things down? Here's the trick. When those high-energy molecules escape, they take heat with them. What's left behind is a little cooler. That's why blowing on hot soup helps it cool, and why sweating is your body's natural air conditioner. Let's take this up a notch. Evaporation isn't just a party trick for drinks and puddles. It's a game changer for the entire planet. Every single day, the sun heats oceans, lakes, and rivers. Water evaporates, turns into clouds, and eventually falls as rain. That's the water cycle in action, powered by the simple science of evaporation. So, next time you spot a drying puddle, see dew vanishing in the morning, or watch your laundry flap dry in the breeze, just remember, there's a microscopic escape party happening right under your nose. That's evaporation, making our world a little more interesting, one molecule at a time. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you learned something new, hit that like button and stick around for more science that makes you say, "Whoa!" See you next time!